Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to rotate TikTok draft video. The first thing you will need to do is open the TikTok app. From here, you want to go onto your profile. Then you're going to tap on the three dots right here in the left hand corner, right beside the lock icon. Then you'll see all of your drafts. You'll simply tap on drafts. Select the draft that you would like to rotate. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Adjust Clips, which is right above the lock icon on the right hand corner. So tap on Adjust Clips. Then you're going to tap on the box icon in the bottom left hand corner. And from here you can rotate your draft, as you can see right here. I'm currently rotating the video. Then once it is to your liking, you can tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Now you could tap on Next to upload it, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to rotate TikTok draft video.